Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on DHgate. It's a straightforward process that enhances your shopping experience. First, make sure Apple Pay is active on your iPhone or other Apple device with at least one payment card linked. Then, simply open the DHgate app on your device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Once inside, log into your account or quickly create a new one to begin. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find what you need. Explore the vast selection of products on DHgate and add your chosen items to your shopping cart. Once you've gathered everything, navigate to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Take a moment to carefully review your order details, including the shipping address and product quantities, to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. At the payment method selection screen, you'll see various options. Look for and select the Apple Pay icon. This will prompt your Apple device to confirm the transaction. You'll then use your preferred authentication method, whether it's Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, to authorize the payment. After successful authentication, DHgate will process your order and send you a confirmation. It's that simple. To ensure a smooth experience, always keep your DHgate app updated to its newest version. This helps prevent any compatibility issues. Also, keep an eye out for special promotions or discounts that might be available when using Apple Pay. If you encounter any problems during your transaction, don't hesitate to reach out to DHgate's customer support. They are there to assist you with any payment-related inquiries or concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.